Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make butter biscuit updated. Preheat your oven to 425 degrees F and get cold butter and chilled buttermilk ready. Keep mixing simple and quick. Use a light hand when incorporating butter so there are distinct flakes. Pat the dough gently to avoid compression and cut straight down with a sharp cutter. Bake until golden and rest briefly before serving warm with butter. Gather the ingredients so everything is within reach before you start. Mise en place makes baking calm and efficient. Use 2 cups flour, 1 tablespoon baking powder, 1 tsp salt, and 6 tablespoon cold butter cut into cubes. Keep buttermilk chilled and measure about 3/4 cup to bring the dough together without overworking. Chilling and gentle handling are key to flaky, tender butter biscuits that rise well. In this video, I will show how to make butter biscuit updated. Quick recommendation: bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker for hands-free timers, upbeat baking playlists, and voice-controlled lighting so you can focus on dough-not devices. It's perfect for kitchen multitasking and adds cheer while you bake. Check the description for the link and other deals, and if you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like. Now let's get back to the video. Small technique choices make a big difference in biscuit quality, so I'll walk you through them. Cut the butter into the flour until pieces resemble peas, which create steam pockets during baking. Fold the dough gently to build layers, then pat to about 3/4 inch thickness before cutting. Always press the cutter straight down without twisting to keep the sides even and promote proper oven spring for tall, flaky biscuits.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.